Hi, we're in the Escort kitchen. I'm Corley and with me is Babyface.
And this is another eschatology.
So eschatology is the science of how Escort makes you the coolest kid on the block.
School event ready.
So recipe 2 is all about lunch prep for after school events and activities. And for that, we're going to use the Escort mini fricadelles. So Babyface, now I'm going to show you exactly what are we going to do with all these ingredients. So we're going to use the mini fricadelles, then we're going to use some puff pastry. So all that you're going to do is you're going to use the pizza wheel, cut a straight line as if you're cutting a ruler, right through. Yes, that's perfect. And then you're going to cut it to half. So first of all, you're going to stick it, look, I've already started. You're going to stick it in here, in the bottom. Yes, perfect. Then you're going to take one of your mini fricadelles. And they're delicious. So then you're going to stick the puff pastry at the top again. Yes, perfect. You're going to take another one. And then we stick it at the top. And we're going to put the puff pastry at the top again.
Makes perfect sense.
So now we're just going to put it in the baking tray into the oven for about 12 minutes. So Babyface, our mini fricadelles and puff pastry sticks is out of the oven and they look delicious. What do you think?
Oh, I feel like they're very delicious.
So to fill up our lunchbox, we're gonna take a toothpick. We've got some grapes, cheese and fresh tomatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask you to pack this lunchbox. So first off, we've got some oats bars.
Oh, my favorite.
An extra energy. Then we've got a pack with little breadsticks and cheese. So I'm sure this lunchbox is going to keep you full the whole afternoon.
And
what do you
healthy.
think?
I'll
And
be healthy.
healthy.
And very energetic.
Are you excited about it?
So excited.
Look how nice it looks. Hey?